Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you Roblox fans out there. We'll be diving into the exciting world of the Roblox Action Collection, specifically the Dungeon Quest, Volcanic Chambers game pack. This is, without a doubt, one of the best Roblox FPS games available in the market right now. So, what makes this Roblox game pack stand out from the rest? Well, let's get right into it. The Roblox Action Collection Dungeon Quest, Volcanic Chambers game pack is not your ordinary gaming experience. It brings your favorite Roblox adventures off the screen and into the real world. With this unique game pack, you'll receive 2 iconic characters and accessories that will enhance your gaming experience in ways you've never imagined. Here are some key features that make this game pack a must-have for any Roblox fan. You can mix and match parts to build your very own unique Roblox character. Customize your character to your heart's content, making it truly your own. Each package comes with a redeemable code to unlock an exclusive virtual item on Roblox. It's like getting a bonus in-game item with your real-world purchase. The characters included in this pack are from Decafe's Dungeon Quest and are sure to become favorites in your collection. Deck out your figures with the included accessories, adding to the fun and immersion of the game. Now, let's talk about why this is the best FPS game for Roblox fans. Volcanic Chambers game pack allows you to take your favorite Roblox adventures to the next level. With its immersive gameplay and unique characters, it provides an unparalleled gaming experience. This game pack is not just about gameplay, it's also a collectible item. As a Roblox enthusiast, having this pack in your collection is a badge of honor. The ability to mix and match characters and accessories gives you endless possibilities for creating your own unique Roblox character. This level of customization sets it apart from other FPS games. The redeemable code for an exclusive virtual item on Roblox adds even more value to your purchase. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. So, there you have it, folks. The Roblox Action Collection Dungeon Quest, Volcanic Chambers game pack is not just a game, it's an experience. With its unique characters, accessories, and exclusive virtual item, it offers an unparalleled level of immersion and customization for Roblox fans. If you're a Roblox enthusiast looking to enhance your gaming experience, or if you're a collector searching for that special item to add to your collection, look no further. Click the link in the description below to get your very own Dungeon Quest, Volcanic Chambers game pack today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy gaming!